Hey guys, welcome back to the channel. Guys, in today's video I'll be sharing with you guys some DIYs that can help you get rid of dark spots. This is me when I was battling with acute dark spots on my face, and this is me right now. So in today's video guys, we are going to be making potato face mask that can help to get rid of dark spots, brighten your face, do a lot on your face. Okay, so to start with, the first thing you need is potato. Go ahead and get one of it, peel off the skin. After peeling off the skin of the potato, you go ahead and grate it with the tiniest hole of your grater. If you don't want to grate, you can go ahead and blend without adding water, or you can add just little water to help your blender. Okay, so potato contains azelaic acid, which is known for its skin brightening properties. Do you know that using potato slice or juice on your skin can help to reduce appearances of scars, blemishes, dark spots, and hyperpigmentations? So that's why potato is very good to your skin. It helps to fade away dark spots. Okay guys, so after grating the potato, you go ahead and extract the juice. We'll be making use of the juice. Okay, if you don't want to go through this process, you can simply get potato slice and rub it on your face. Okay, but this process is good. This helps to hasten the effect. Okay guys, so that is it. After extracting the juice, the next thing you need to add to it is rice flour. Go ahead and get 1 tablespoon of rice flour and add to it. So we will be using rice flour because it's also very good to the skin. Rice flour acts as a skin clearing agent. It has acne reducing qualities and helps to regulate oil production, which helps to keep the pores fresh and unclogged. Okay, so after adding the rice flour, you go ahead and add rose water. Add 2 tablespoons of rose water. Rose water helps to give you a smooth skin. It helps to, brighten your skin and get rid of blemishes. So after adding the rose water, you go ahead and mix it very well. Mix properly. And after mixing, the next thing you have to add here is honey. Guys, honey is also beneficial to the skin. Honey helps to reduce the signs of premature aging and lightens scars and hyperpigmentation. It also fights acne, breakouts, and relieves sunburn. So after mixing, here I am now. I will go ahead and show you guys how you can apply it. Please, before applying it, make sure that your face is clean. Make sure that you wash your face. Then go ahead, use your brush or your hand. If you will be using your hand, make sure that your hand is also clean, because you don't want to contaminate this goodness with any bacteria or germs. Okay, so go ahead and apply it all over your face. After applying it on your face, let it sit on your face for 40 minutes or as long as you can wait, but you have to wait for it to dry up before you wash it with lukewarm water. Okay guys, so that is it. This treatment will help to fade away dark spots. It will help to get rid of wrinkles. It will help to smoothen your face and make you look younger. Okay guys, so that's it. If you enjoyed watching this video, please give me a thumbs up, and I will see you all in my next one.